All right, welcome back. Joining us virtually this afternoon, we have our local CPA, Miss Robin LeBlanc, on the line. Robin, good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Good afternoon. Doing great as always.
So what tax tips do you have for us today?
Okay, so it may not seem that close to the end of the year, but when we're talking about taxes, it is time to start the year-end tax planning. And for individuals, this means looking at everything that's happened in the last year and all sorts of changes. A big one is if your filing status is going to change. So if you had a baby, got married, got divorced, or if we're looking at dependents and you have dependents that are gone off to college or kids that are now living on their own that you're no longer going to have as dependents, looking at those and seeing how going to impact you. Another big thing is looking at your retirement. Are you maximizing your contributions? Can you open up an IRA and make additional contributions outside of any work plan that you have that can, give you that extra deduction if you qualify for? And another one's HSA, so the health savings account. If you don't have one, do a little research and see if you qualify, because you can contribute over $6,000 into that account that can be used for medical expenses and use it as a tax deduction. So that's something to see if you qualify for. Another thing is, we've gone over this a whole bunch. Check your pay stubs and make sure that you're withholding, because now you're going to have an additional 3 months to play catch up with any withholding taxes. And if you have marketplace insurance, make sure you still actually qualify for any credits that you're getting in, because those are going to have a big impact on your 2021 return if your credit's too big and you're going to have to pay it back. They got rid of the payback for 2020 tax year due to COVID, but that comes back into play for 2021. You are not getting out of repaying if you got an excess credit.
Okay.
Another thing right now that's really big is with all these advanced child tax credits, with the next one is hitting in 2 days. If you are no longer going to have those dependents on your return when you file for 2021, you don't actually qualify for that. And so that's something to look into. And remember, go talk to your tax advisor, talk to your financial advisor about any contributions, and just get a jump, because a lot of things need to be done before the year end in order to have the tax benefit for 2021.
Absolutely. I think it's good that we are talking about this today, because, like you said, it doesn't seem like we're almost to the end of the year, but it's going to sneak up on us. And it's so important that we plan ahead. Robin, thank you so much for joining us virtually. Really quick before we go, how can people reach you?
337-330-4000, or find us on Facebook at Robin LeBlanc CPA.
Wonderful. Thanks, Robin. And if you guys want to learn more, we're going to post all of this on our website, klaf.com. But let's go ahead and check in with meteorologist Adam Olivier.